Emerald Coast Cosplay.
Be who you want to be.
Hello, I'm Alice Infinity from Alice Infinity Cosplay. I've been nominated for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by both Negativity and JoJo, who does Snake Eyes. And so I'm doing this for all the fans that may follow me that have ALS, and I'm asking that if you will do this and you're nominated, please do this, and also donate if you're, or just donate. Also, I'm also doing this for Tuffy, who cannot do the Ice Bucket Challenge, but he keeps getting nominated for it. He does have a condition, medical condition, to where he cannot do it, so I will be doing this also for him. So, stop asking. He will be done. I'm nominating Heidi Jo, Erica from Pensacola Paracon, Geek Out Studio, and all the Hidden Gamer crew. I'm wearing y'all's shirt. And so, we're gonna try to do this. I don't know how well this is gonna work with my heroic lightning fast reflexes. Okay, let's do this.
Hey!
Ah! Ah, so cool! So much regret!